New to AWS? Looking for the easiest way to build AI agents? Are you feeling a general sense of existential dread? I can't help you with that last one, but for the first two, I got you. Welcome to LeapStacks 2. LeapStacks is a free and open source project that helps developers build AI agents on AWS in minutes. Look, unlocking business value from AI agents right now is a complex challenge in and of itself, so LeapStacks removes all of the complexity of building that infrastructure to support your AI agents so that you can focus on building and measuring value from the AI agents. So basically, it's less stress and faster time to value. How does it do that?
Okay, now I'm going to show you how to create an AI agent in under 8 minutes. The only thing you need is an AWS account. That's it. So after logging into your AWS account, come back to leapstacks.dev and click Deploy to AWS. This brings up your AWS account with the LeapStacks installer script preloaded. This script contains thousands of AWS instructions to set up your environment and do all of the heavy lifting for you. All you need to do is set your username and password to secure your private LeapStacks environment. The password needs to be at least 8 characters, uppercase, lowercase, numbers, special characters, you know the drill. Then scroll down and acknowledge one checkbox so AWS can create the identity resources to keep things secure. Then click Create Stack. Now, while this installs, I'll tell you what it's doing, and I'll try to be quick because this takes less than 50 seconds. So think of AWS like a platform where you put together digital building blocks to create applications. Each one of these blocks is called a service. There's services for databases, services for storing things, AI services, etc. There's over 200 services, but you don't need to worry about that right now. What this script does is it first installs a private web UI environment into your AWS account. Think of it like a website that only you can access. And we're done. Go to the Outputs tab, click the login URL, enter your credentials that you set earlier, and boom, you're in. You're now looking at 12 production-ready prototypes grouped by categories depending on if you're totally new to AWS and want to learn the basics or dive headfirst into building awesome AI. But before that, I want to highlight the auto destroy feature. If this is on, then any stack you launch along with all of the services it created will be automatically deleted and cleaned up in 2 hours. So even if you forget to clean up yourself, you won't be hit with that surprise bill at the end of the month. I've been there. It's not cool. So let's start with the GenAI chatbot. Just choose the model you want, click launch, and then just chill. 2 minutes later, done. Now you can click the front end link to try it. Hello, make sure everything is working correctly. Great. How it works, we'll show you how it works. You can click on any one of the services or terms, and it's going to bring up a video that explains what it is. Developer resources have everything you need to be able to make changes, usage and costs for cost tracking. Now, let's go a step further. Let's build a voice agent that we can speak to. So we'll launch this stack powered by Amazon Novasonic 2. Now this voice AI agent, we also want it to have access to some specific documents and get information from them. So we're also going to launch this knowledge base. And because the information in these documents is private, we want to launch the authentication and user management stack so we can control who are the users that have access to this agent, where they sign up and we approve. And finally, to connect the knowledge base with the agent, we need to set up an MCP server. Okay, now all stacks are launched. Now let's check our voice agent first. Hello?
Hello, how can I help you today?
Now we just go to the knowledge base and upload our private docs. Go here and sync. Then we just need to connect our knowledge base as an MCP by following the steps in the developer resources. And that's it. For more in-depth guides, check the GitHub repo documentation, our Discord server, and the linked YouTube channel. And you can find me on LinkedIn. I'm happy to help anytime. Happy building.